Hey babes, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another video, as you can see. I'm about to just basically review this natural teeth whitening charcoal. Can y'all see? I know y'all been seeing it all over Instagram, all over Facebook, saying it's amazing. I like amazing shit. I like white teeth. So I said, why not? So I got it, and now I'm about to try it out. Let y'all know if it really works or if people just playing games with y'all, okay? So we gonna try it out. We gonna try it out. We gonna try it out. Hey, we gonna try it out. So let's just get right into this. I already brushed my teeth, so we just gonna go right into the charcoal. It is 100% all natural charcoal teeth whitening from Black Diamond. Black is the new white. Facts. Anywho, let's go. I'm actually so excited to try this because every time I see the little ad on Instagram, I'm like, ooh, I want my teeth that white. So let's see what's up. Got the little toothbrush here. Bing, bang, boom. So it says brush for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, a long time, don't you think? But anyway, I'm gonna do what they say. So here we go. You gotta wet this. Okay. Dip it. Dip, dip, dip. I wonder if I'm gonna have to like that was stupid. I basically just rinsed it off. Anyway, dip it in there. Get the excess off. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's time. Oh, snaps. It's time. So 5 minutes of Russia. So clearly I have to re-dip, right? This ain't enough. Good thing I'm the only one using it. You feel it? All right, I want them all white. I want them all white, okay? Shit messy. One time for the snap. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, literally messy. Look at me, all on my shirt, all in the sink. What the heck? Let me rinse that down. Only been 2 minutes. Oh my God. I blew it. Two minutes more. Honestly, I see a difference already, and I ain't even rinsed it off yet. excited. Like, you can, this stuff is amazing. You can already see it, huh? No lie. You can tell the difference in my teeth right away. This stuff is gold. This stuff is magic. Okay, look at. Who needs to go to the dentist? Nobody. Girl, buy you this stuff, brush it on for 5 minutes, and you ready. Look at my teeth. Oh, wow. Off top, it's a yes for me, fam. Go ahead and try this out, y'all. It is not just all Instagram hype. This stuff really does work. As you can see, I just showed you. It's hella messy though. Well, at least I was messy with it. It's all over the place. Look at this. It's all over the floor. It's all over me. It's all over the sink. Like, it's all over my shower curtain, all that. Anyway, that's neither here or there. This stuff right here though, this is fire. Off top, go ahead and buy you this, sis. Go and get you this so you can be out here shining, 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 yeah. With white teeth, I've been losing my mind. Y'all, look at my teeth. Okay, what's a who, me? I ain't go to the dentist. I did this at home. I did this with a teeth whitening charcoal turn up. Let me go ahead and show my snap. What's good? Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Just wanted to come give y'all a little review on that. If you ask me, yes, and you can see, you seen it for yourself, definitely works. See, teeth on fleek, turn up. Go ahead and try this. It's Black Diamond teeth whitening charcoal. Found it on Instagram. Just go search a tag. I'm pretty sure you'll find it. But yes, go ahead and try that out if you're looking for all natural teeth whitening. A little quick at home doozy. Cause that's it. That's the one. Okay? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button, share the video, hit the thumbs up, leave me some comments on how you feel about this. If you ever tried it, did you like it? Or am I tripping? Cause I love it. I'm glad. It's the bomb, okay? I also did the black mask challenge. If you want to see how that went down, check out the black mask challenge I just did. You can find that in the description box below. If you haven't realized, everything black is good for you. Black charcoal for your teeth, black mask for your face, black women for your health. What kind of favor? So I was gonna get out of here. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing when I post. Follow my social media, which is right here at the bottom of the screen, and show your girl some love. Okay, y'all. Until next time. Bye, days.
It's the night of your life, girl. Put on your prettiest dress. It's the night of your life, girl. You gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.